This passion fruit simple syrup is such a great addition to desserts and drinks. I recommend it to anyone. You can use this syrup in tarts, ice cream, cakes, cocktails, mocktails, iced tea, and much, much more. You need just three ingredients: some water, sugar, and passion fruit. It doesn't really matter which passion fruit you choose. I use equal water and sugar and a bunch of passion fruit. Cut the fruit in half and put the pulp in a pan. Add water and sugar, bring to a boil, and simmer it on low heat for 5 minutes. The syrup is now ready for use. You could sieve it beforehand, but it's not necessary. This syrup is one of my favorites from Suriname, and it's very popular over there. You could use it as a lemonade, but it's also so great in desserts. Have fun trying, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.